But there's just these little things like this to help you keep your pond clean and looking good.
Hello, thanks for stopping by Flippin' Fletch's DIY-FYI YouTube channel.
How you doing? Well, I was in the pond pulling out some dead lily pads and stuff, and I got to thinking, why don't I film this and make a quick little video for you, how to prevent getting muck buildup in your pond. This is one of the things that does it. The lily pads die off and the stems and everything, and they just rot and they decay and they build up sludge in the bottom. It's a good way to prevent it from happening. The more you can do to get it out, the better. So all I do is get in the pond on a nice hot day and enjoy. It's not all bad. Pull the lily off completely from the bottom stem. You don't want it rotting. Nice flat coat, floats right on the water, you throw it in it. Makes it simple. There's a lot more dead ones in there than what you think. Once you get in here and get to looking, there's a lot of them. Helps keep your pond looking better. Better look at with all the nice green lily pads and the flowers. For some reason we don't seem to have as many lily flowers as we did last year. I don't know why, but it's just one of those things. At the end of the season, when you're getting ready to shut your pond down like we have to here in Michigan, you just can't leave it run in the winter. You get ice dams, freeze up, and the stream starts flowing out, and you're going to ruin your pump. So you don't leave it running during the winter. But I want to get all these lily pads out of here in the fall before I'm ready to shut it down, so they don't just decay all winter. Makes it easier when we do our clean, as we show in our video, how to keep your water clear all summer. It makes it much easier. Is that a weed? Oh my goodness, how'd that grow there so fast? Leslie's out cleaning up the berm and stuff, trimming the flowers, making them all look good. Next Saturday we're on a pond tour. Last year we had 100 people come to it. It's an absolute blast. We enjoy it so much. People enjoy it. They get to see all the beautiful ponds. I think there's 7 on the tour this year, so it's pretty cool. So we got to spruce things up. Not that it needs much, because we stay on it pretty well. Does it take work to do all this? Yes. But we don't call it work. We call it pure enjoyment. A few years ago, before we discovered the pond cleaning process from our friend Brian, I wouldn't dare get in this thing. There was so much muck in here, and it was messy and green stuff all over you, and it was just disgusting. And we were so tired of it, and we have been so happy since we discovered this process to keep our pond clean. And it's simple. There's my girl out there. She's always doing something. Look at all those. You don't want that stuff decaying in your pond. I know I don't. Golfers galore going by. Non-stop. Just about got it. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you have a backyard pond and you can't keep the water clear, you need to check out our video, how to keep your water clear all summer long. I'll put a link to it below. But there's just these little things like this to help you keep your pond clean and looking good, because that's the enjoyable part of it. Thanks for watching. See you.